Welcome to Getting Started with the new Argip B2B platform. Before we begin, remember that you can switch YouTube subtitles to your preferred language using the video settings. Step 1. Open the browser and go to b2b.argip.com.pl. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button to create your company account. Once you are in, please complete all required company information, including valid email, company name, invoicing address, very detailed. You have to remember that later on you will be able to add or change this address in case you have a different one for the warehouse. So you can also add more than one address. VAT number. Your VAT number must be valid, including the European Union prefix at the beginning if you are doing business within Europe. Otherwise, please write the prefix of your country. For example, EU, followed by your VAT number. Step 4. Remember to choose the correct currency. This will provide additional business benefits and make transactions faster and easier with Argip. If you are out of the European Union, you shall choose Euro as well. Complete the remaining information, such phone number. Step 5. Agree with Rodo policy to process your data and confirm that your information is valid, and if you want to receive our commercial information via email. Once all information has been completed and submitted, your account will be reviewed and validated by our IT team. After confirmation, your company account will become active. Later, you will also be able to create additional accounts independently for your team members. Argip B2B is designed to simplify and accelerate your purchasing process, from product search to final delivery. Let's continue with product search. Remember, create your account today and save time with faster, smarter ordering through Argip B2B platform.